वैसे जब भी हम फिजिक्स के बारे में सोचते हैं तो एक बात तो स्पष्ट है कि इसके हर साइंटिफिक नियम को बार बार टेस्ट किए गए हैं, कंफर्म किया गया है, हर स्टेटमेंट को डिस्क्राइब किया गया है, उसके बाद ही कोई फिनोमिना बनाए जाते हैं। और यही सभी फिनोमिना बाकी जो विज्ञान की दूसरी शाखाएं हैं जैसे रसायन विज्ञान है, बायोलॉजी है या एग्रीकल्चर है उसके आधार बने हैं, इसलिए इसे यूनिक साइंस कहा जाता है। वैसे हम तो जानते ही हैं कि जो भौतिक है वह पदार्थ और उसका ऊर्जा का ही अध्ययन है। साथ ही साथ इसके अंतर्गत हम अंतरिक्ष विज्ञान, विद्युत, प्रकाश और चुंबक जैसे विषयों का भी हम अध्ययन करते हैं। लेकिन फिजिक्स का नाम सुनते ही बच्चे के अंदर एक डर या भय पैदा हो जाता है, क्योंकि हम केवल पुस्तकी ज्ञान या सिद्धांतों को पढ़ते हैं। जब तक हम इसे प्रकृति के साथ कनेक्ट नहीं करते या अपने दैनिक जीवन के विभिन्न क्रियाकलापों के साथ इन सिद्धांतों को नहीं जोड़ते, तब तक यह विषय हमें बोझिल ही लगेगा। और प्रयोगशाला इन्हीं सिद्धांतों और प्रकृति के विभिन्न घटनाओं के बीच के खाई को पाटने का काम करता है, जहां हम हर सिद्धांतों को बार बार प्रयोग करके सिद्ध करते हैं। अतः विषय रुचिपूर्ण हो, जिज्ञासापूर्ण हो, बच्चों में एक नई परिकल्पना पैदा हो और वो नए रहस्यों का उद्घाटन करें। इसके लिए जरूरी है कि बच्चों को हम प्रयोगशाला में लाएं और उन्हें हर प्रयोग को बहुत ही सावधानी के साथ क्रमबद्ध तरीके से करने का मौका दें और उनका हम मॉनिटरिंग करें। तभी जो फिजिक्स विषय है वो रुचिपूर्ण भी होगा और उद्देश्यपूर्ण भी। ये प्रयोगशालाएं आधुनिक युग के तीर्थ स्थल हैं। तो चलिए चलते हैं ऐसे ही नवोदय विद्यालय के फिजिक्स लैब में, जहां बहुत ही अनुभवी शिक्षिका श्रीमती झरना देवांगन न केवल हमें लैब का विजिट करा रही हैं, बल्कि लैब में उपस्थित सभी इक्विपमेंट और एपरेटस के बारे में बता भी रही हैं।
Welcome to our physics lab of our Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Janjgir Chapa. Myself PGT Physics Jharna Devangan, and first of all, entering into our physics lab, we want to know the various list of practicals of 12th, 11th, 10th and 9th which are conducted. Every year there are some changes. This year also due to COVID-19 some changes are there. The following list are as such. There is decrease in practicals, list of practicals, and these are the practicals which are just said here, and one by one we are discussing some things such as this is a parallelogram law apparatus for the 11th class. These are the models and all made by the junior classes. This is a Zener diode apparatus kit. Now this year this has been removed because due to COVID-19 deleted, and this is the PN junction semiconductor diode kit. This semiconductor diode is in our syllabus this year. These are the digital multimeters, analog multimeters which are used by the students to check continuity or how the instruments are working or not, which will be helpful for them in their daily life in future also. These are also PN junction diode apparatus of different companies, and this is the Hooke's law apparatus for class 11th, in which they are having a curve shape and they are just observing and calculating the things. This is a traveling microscope in which we are calculating the refractive index of this glass, and this is very interesting one telescope which has been prepared by the students and myself. One student has been selected from every school along with PGT Physics. They are preparing this telescope by themselves and they are taking the observations. A club also has been formed for this. Next we are coming on to the practical, that is meter bridge. There are 3 practicals from this meter bridge. Simple unknown resistances of the 12th classes, series combination as well as parallel combination of resistances are also proved by this meter bridge. And this is very interesting and very important practical, that is frequency of AC mains using sonometer, by which we are calculating the frequency of the AC mains, that is 50 Hz from this sonometer kit. Again we are coming to the optics practical. The optics practicals are done on these optical benches. There are many optical benches in which we are having here convex lens. We are calculating the rough focal length as well as the focal length by the UV curve graphs we are coming to the next practical of the potentiometer. We are coming to the next practical of the potentiometer. In the potentiometer also, we are having two practicals. First, the comparison of EMF of two cells, the Daniell cell, Leclanché cell and the Daniell cells. Or we are simply using 2 or 3 batteries for that. And calculating the internal resistance of this cell. Next, these are the few models which are prepared by the students in various exhibitions, and some solar cooker, some earthquake alarm and various other models which are prepared by the students. This was the model which was prepared by one of our students, Aryan Soni of class 11th. He got 3rd prize in the Regional Science Congress. He prepared himself and it was presented there along with its presentation and its makeover and theory and concepts. Next, these are few quotations also are there related to science which are prepared by the students and pasted, so that at least one definition or one quotation which will be helpful for them in their day-to-day life for any presentation, speech or anywhere. These are the few collages as well as few interesting recent phenomena such as Science for People and People for Science. Every National Science Day we are having some poster presentation. These are pasted as a collage here. Next, an LCD projector has been installed in our physics lab also, so that some practicals can be conducted using the OLabs and can be shown to the students, which will be very helpful for them instead of just giving the theory by myself. Then we are coming to our storeroom, in which various instruments such as here various meter bridge, sonometer, various potentiometers all are kept, and we are having all the arrangements such as here galvanometer, voltmeter, ammeter, spherometer, stopwatch, one-way key, two-way key, rheostat, various chemicals to prepare the basic cells, and resistance boxes, all in a manner so that for which practical that are used, they are used in such a way. And some electronics kits which are more sensitive are kept in this almirah, where all the PN junction diode kits, Zener diode kits, here transistor kits, it was before, now it has been deleted, so we are not using now. And Ohm's law kit, various small instruments such as resistances all are also present. We are having here multimeters, various other batteries and all also. And next, with all these things, we have to say that physics lab is a collection of many interesting phenomena which are never ending. All the small magnets is interesting for the children from right beginning of their age. So with all these words, have a very bright future in science field. Thank you.